Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co and Forex Trading TV daily FX market review for the trading day ending Wednesday, September 24th. Well, firstly to the S&P 500, and as suggested, we've seen the sellers coming back into the market for the close of today's trading. The previous day we saw the market testing up above the 128.71 level of resistance, finding resistance also at the Tenkan-sen and being strongly rejected from there. On a candle that changed the trend to the upside, we saw the sellers take control for yesterday's trading, and we've seen a change of trend completed today with the current candle making a lower high and lower low, a very large black body candle, and the sellers taking control. Very solid downside momentum, strong commitment from the sellers. At the moment, as this new candle begins, we are seeing some selling coming in, and there is a very real possibility of the market testing down to the 127.45 level. All of this negative trading is in line with the market being bearish in all three time frames, and that follows the breakout and the close down below the bottom barrier of the flag pattern, which was a continuation pattern, and also the trading down below each of the Ichimoku indicators supported by the Chica span. So this solid bearish momentum does suggest a very real possibility of further downside. Now, as we look at the Fibonacci extension tool, and here we see the market trading in a bearish manner down through the 61.8% level, and it does suggest a very real possibility of the market extending further down, possibly to the 100% level at 127.21. And just looking at our bands here and here for the last two trading days, we've seen the market testing just through the bottom band, and that area holding as resistance, the market unable to close within the band, highlighting that we still do have a very strong negative bias in this market to the downside. And with the sellers coming in very strongly, it does suggest a possibility of the market continuing to trade lower. If we do see the market rally, potential resistance at the bottom band at 128.30 at the moment. Moving next to the US dollar Swiss franc, and here we've seen the buyers come into this market very solidly today. A very strong bullish close up above the 94 level, and previously we saw that candle that was a doji type candle that where the open and the close were up around the highs. Even though the market was trending down, it did suggest that there was a possibility of a change of trend. As mentioned yesterday, we were looking for confirmation of that. The market tested almost down to the Tenkan-sen yesterday and was strongly rejected from there. Buyers coming in strongly, completing the change of trend to the upside with a strong bullish candle, and the buyers very strongly committed to taking this market higher. At the moment, the market's finding some resistance in this current candle at 94.61. For the trading session has completed, we failed to breach that level. If we trade in a bullish manner through there, we're looking at our next target at 94.98, and that is in line with the market being bullish in all three timeframes, trading above each of the Ichimoku indicators. Once again, with this market, a lack of strength from the sellers here, and the Tenkan-sen holding a strong support for the market, and the market bouncing off there. To the bands, and here we have continued trading price action outside of the upper band, highlighting a strong bullish bias in this market. A bullish breakout, the band holding now for support for the third consecutive occasion, and the market failing to close within the band, seeing some follow through at the moment and suggesting that we could see this market trade to higher prices.